Hey, yo, what's up, champions? This is Huey, and we're back with another video. Today, I have another one of my favorite strategies that I use a lot to trade, and it is super easy. Absolutely anyone can start trading with it today. As you can see, we had crazy sessions these past few days, so we're going to start off by adding 3 moving averages. The first moving average is going to be 20 and EMA type of moving average. The color stays green and we change the pixel to 2, the thickness of it. Then the second EMA is going to be 50. Styles, we take yellow, and there it is, 2 pixels thickness. And the third one is going to be 100 EMA. Styles, red, 2 pixels. There it is. And already we have actually a pretty decent situation here. But we also need the fractals. Change the color of the top one to red and the bottom one to green. This is going to be your entry signal indicator. So what you're gonna wait, you need the price to be outside of the 3 moving averages, and once the price finally pulls back into the 20 moving average here, once it does the pullback and reaches here, you're gonna wait for the green indicator to be printed under a candle, and once it's printed, you're gonna enter a 1-minute long position. And when you do this, you need to remember that the 20 EMA should be above the 50 EMA and 50 EMA should be above 100 EMA. And if this is the case, then you're only taking long positions. If 20 EMA is below 50 EMA and 50 EMA is below 100 EMA, then you're only going to be taking short positions. Keep in mind, this is very important. You also want to be 3 of the lines to be parallel to each other, so keep that in mind, keep it in your head. Let's wait for a little bit, see if the fractal is printed on this chart, and then we will proceed to look for more entries. I'm expecting the fractal to appear right now or on the next candle. One of those two things would be nice if it appeared now, but let's see in 3 seconds if it actually happens. And it doesn't. Like, this is very important right here. If the fractal is not printed, if the fractal doesn't give you the signal, then you are not entering a trade. Our main indicator of entering the trade is a green fractal under the candle. That's what you need after the price has pulled back into the 20 EMA range. That is what you're going to be waiting for, and this is what you're going to be looking for. So stick to the strategy, stick to the plan, wait for the price to make a pullback, wait for the green fractal to be printed below the candle. If all the 3 moving averages are moving in one direction and the green moving average is above the yellow one and yellow one is above the red, wait for the fractal to be printed and then enter a 1-minute long trade. So we're gonna see if we get the fractal here. If we do, we're gonna enter the trade. If not, we're gonna continue looking for more entries. And there it is. So we enter a 1-minute long trade. Now let's skip and see if we manage to secure this one. Let's go. And it seems like we might take a loss here, unfortunately, but it happens. It is market. Oh, never mind, the price jumped last second. That is actually crazy. Since we entered 1 or 2 seconds later, the price immediately jumped up and we actually got it into our pocket, so that is great. But now let's proceed and see if we can find more entries. Let's go. And it looks like we have a good entry here, so let's enter this trade right here. I am 30 seconds late, however the price did not move after the fractal was printed. However, I probably should have entered a 30-second trade, because I don't know if the next candle is going to continue the uptrend. So I mean, we entered already, nothing to discuss. We made our choice. So sometimes you have to just own up to your mistakes, or in this case we will find out if this was a mistake or not. I entered actually halfway through the candle, and I should have definitely entered a 30-second option. because as you can see, that would result in a win already and we would collect the money. It is still not lost, and it seems like we actually going to be getting our money. We have 5 seconds, 6 seconds left, and the price is barely moving, so we should be Gucci. And there, oh, and as you can see, anything can happen in the market. Like, just like we won the first option, we could have lost this one because the price super fast went down, and you can see it continues to go down. But luckily for us, we actually ended up on the right side and we managed to secure another $900. Now let's proceed. Oh, never mind, let's not proceed. Actually, I want to remind you guys once again that we have a free signals group, so you should absolutely join it. You only need to follow the link in the description below to this video and join today. Once you do that, you'll get access to the giveaways. You can win $100. You'll get access to free trading sessions that are happening every day when there's a trading session, a private trading group, and you'll also be able to get a lot of knowledge in trading by just being in this group. However, my advice is to, of course, join the private trading group, because this is where the full potential is unlocked, and that's where you actually can start making money as from trading as your main income, because we have trading sessions that are happening every day. They last for about an hour, and all of the signals are given by Neos. So once you join, you can immediately participate in the next one and already start multiplying your wealth, increasing your balance, and just simply trading alongside a professional trader, and that will give you a lot of knowledge on how to actually trade. And of course, the giveaway is available for everyone. Once you join, all you need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. So if you're interested in joining, and you should be absolutely interested in joining, just send Neos a message saying I want to join team, and he'll provide you with all the information that you need to join team. Now let's get back into trading and see if we can get a little bit more out of this strategy. It seems like the market is a little bit rough today, but that doesn't stop us. Let's go. And here we have our next possible entry. As you can see, we have 15 seconds left and the price has just pulled back into the 50 EMA range. So what we need now is a fractal signal below the candle that will let us enter this trade. So let's see if it occurs, and there it is, and we enter a 1 minute trade immediately. Now let's skip ahead to the end of this 1 minute option and see what we got. Let's go. And just like that, we are finishing confident and securing ourselves a nice chunk of money, $870, just like that. So you can see the strategy is really good, and it is really easy to use. So absolutely anyone can just hop in, set up the moving averages, the fractals, and start monitoring the charts, the markets. One thing though I want to tell you guys so you understand it clearly. So first of all, you when you're trading in the short position, you're gonna wait for the price to move the same way. However, you need the green moving average line to be below the yellow one, and yellow one should be below the red one. That is pretty much it. So this is for short position. For long position, just like here you can see on the chart, it should be like this. But for short position, it should be the opposite. The green line should be below, then the orange line and the red line, and they should be parallel to each other. And also, if you get a chart like this, like let's look at it. If you get a chart like this, do not enter on a chart like this. If the price breaks below the red line, the red moving average, the 100 EMA moving average, do not enter the trade. So no matter if you receive the signal or not, if the price breaks below the red moving average, you stop and you go look at another chart and try to find another entry. Now let's proceed and enter one more trade and see if we can get a dub. Let's go. And here we have the last possible entry. As you can see, the price made a pullback into the 50 EMA, and now we have a big red candle forming, and we're most likely gonna get a red fractal printed above the candle, and there it is. So we enter a 1 minute short position. That is pretty much it. We had every situation that you can have trading with the strategy, and as you can see, it is nothing hard. 3 steps. First, you need to see that the price action is outside of the moving averages, so it should be either above the moving averages or below the moving averages. Then you need to see the price pull back into the moving averages, into the 20 or 50 moving average. Next thing, the third one and the last, you wait for the fractal to print a signal for you to enter. Once the signal has been printed, you are going to enter a trade accordingly. So if it's a red fractal, you're going to enter a short position, but also keep in mind that your moving averages should be in the certain position, and that is green below the yellow, yellow below the red, and the opposite for the long position. And here we are securing another dub for ourselves and getting a decent chunk of money. We made $3.7 or $3.6 thousand within 20 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes, around that time. So as you can see, very simple. So guys, I want to encourage you, if you want to learn more strategies like this, make sure to hop into our free signals channel and hop into our private trading group and start trading with us today. We're all waiting for you in there. A lot of information, giveaways, $100 per giveaway. The giveaways are happening almost every day, so hurry up, join now, and of course I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.